welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be gift wrapping. How fun is this, guys? Just kidding, only the first 2 or 3 presents are very fun. In the end, you do get tired, and you know the struggle is real. You guys know, before I get started, please give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You could also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. And also, if you guys haven't seen my other video, I have a Christmas tour, so go and check that out, guys. It should be linked on the description box. I have many more videos with Christmas hauls, Christmas gift ideas, and many more. But let's get started with the video. Now, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit under the weather. Yes, guys, I have a cold and I've been having it for 3 days, but I decided to record myself because I need to get this video because Christmas is literally around the corner. Now, I'm not the best gift wrapper, but I do like to give my presents in nice gift wrapping paper or in a nice package. I do believe in gift bags, but those are going to be different presents for another day. But I wanted to start with the wrapping. Now, I decided to use the same wrapping paper of last year. I usually buy one every year, different ones, but I had a lot left, and you know, a girl is on a budget. This gift wrapping paper is from the brand of Hallmark, and I really like it. It's very helpful because on the inside it has the little grid lines, so it's easy for you to see where to cut. Remember, guys, when you guys are doing the gift wrapping paper, you want to do it very tight just so it doesn't feel loose, and then you're gonna crease the edges and corners. Having tape ready is a must. It's even easier, especially when you're gift wrapping and you're trying to hurry. I usually stick some tape on the scissors handle because I know it's going to be there and it's easier to grab and to do this quick. So I'm not an expert, like I said, so I wouldn't even know how to explain this. But I usually put the top flap inside and then tuck in the middles, and then in the last flap just tuck it back all the way up, just so you guys could get a little hint. I don't know, guys, I need help. Now onto the bow. On this one, I couldn't decide, so I decided on the color of red. Yes, red and red don't really go together, but this one, I just wanted to get it going. And I decided to add a little bell because you guys know I like to jingle all the way. You know, a little Christmas humor. And voila, I'm done. I only have 10,000 gifts left to wrap. Just kidding, guys. I only have a couple more. Now, this gift wrapping paper is my all-time favorite. I'm totally obsessed. I think it's so pretty and cute and adorable. It reminds me of my sign of a Christmas tree from Joann's. It's too cute. I read somewhere where a lot of people love to do gift wrapping on the Christmas Eve. That would stress me out because usually that day my family comes over and we have dinner and I like to relax. But everyone is different. If that's your tradition, comment down below. Let me know when you guys start gift wrapping. By now, you guys should know that I like anything that looks rustic. So I decided to add this cute twine or ribbon. And this one is my favorite gift that I wrapped so far. adding a Christmas card can also make your gift feel special. My little tip is that I usually write their names on the boxes because I am guilty of forgetting of who it belongs to and what's inside. Has that ever happened to you guys? And oh no guys, I noticed that making this video, it was a little shaky, and it's because my head was hitting the camera, so I do apologize. I decided on using the same ribbon I used for my Christmas tree. It's cute and glittery, as you could see. And now I'm going to be adding the name tags to each gift. And this is another gift that I was in the making, but funny thing is that I wasn't even recording and I thought I was. I actually like how this gift came out. I decided to put the bow on top of the corner instead of in the middle. And I added a gift tag that says Merry Merry with a little bell. And yes guys, I decided to make myself a cup of coffee because you guys know I'm obsessed with coffee. And this one's my mug that I'm using. I got this one last year. And it's so adorable. So good. This is how it came out. I like it. It looks like Santa's workshop here. That is it with the video, guys. I hope you guys like these type of videos. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Funny thing, guys, I did this one and I love how it came out. You know what's so funny though? I thought I was recording it when I was making this one and I didn't. Bummer. Story of my life. But on this one I did the 2 wrapping papers, which I think it's very cute. I hate the lighting right now, but this is how it came out and I think it's very cute. And I like this little tag that says Happy Holidays.